largely in a hospital setting, doctors can be extremely, I wouldn't say rude, but just rushed and very brash with patients. Somehow I feel that in India, वो जो empathy है, that kindness towards the patient who is the real sufferer, that is missing. That's been my experience.
Well, I must admit that that probably is right. Like, और इसका जो प्रॉब्लम है, the problem is stemming from so many factors. One, as a society, हमको जब शुरू से सिखाया जाता है कि स्कूल में आपको अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं, no emphasis for my parents was like to become a professional,
Right.
एक डॉक्टर में भी, बट अच्छा डॉक्टर की बात नहीं हुई थी, बात हुई थी डॉक्टर बनना, और मैंने कर दिखाया। तो वहाँ पे हुआ, फिर मैंने डॉक्टर, जब मैंने मेडिकल स्कूल ज्वाइन किया, बात हुई कि लाइक आपको ये सारे एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करने हैं, मैंने कर दिखाया। लाइक मैंने एमडी किया, फिर डीएम किया, सबने बोला कि आपको ये एग्ज़ाम पास करना है। तो एम्फेसिस कभी भी अच्छा डॉक्टर बनने की बात नहीं थी, कोई डेफिनेशन ही नहीं था कि अच्छा डॉक्टर का। अगर आपने सारे एग्ज़ाम और आपने गोल्ड मेडल से पास किया, तो आप
अब अच्छे डॉक्टर बन गए।
बन गए, लाइक एंड यू सी, like you would see so many people putting at gold medalists from here and here, and they say कि that doesn't make a good doctor. But as I said, that was the difference between knowledge and wisdom I acquired over years. So now when I go back and talk to my team, like okay, I only tell them just be good human beings, like and empathy क्या जो है, feel as if you're treating your own child or your leg. So this is something which I also learned from one of my teachers, and he said once that he was operating like appendix on so many in Safdarjung hospital only, and one day his son also had an appendix
Wow.
problem. So he was just 2 years, and all that he had done was operate all children, but own child was like kind of giving him jitters. Then he said, "Ki, if I cannot operate on my child, I have no right to operate on anyone else's child, because if I can be like that sane, and as well as I cannot be as confident to operate on my child, I should leave." And that is one thing which changed my perspective also, that I need to treat everybody as like, I cannot, as I said, I cannot be God. And maybe when I write something, maybe there is a reaction, maybe there is a problem, there is something. But my intent is to treat the other child as my own child, and that can go wrong with my child also, right?
No, one has the deep respect, and there should be nothing less than that. And of course, doctors work under so much of pressure. I mean, I've seen them work in AIMS, saw them work during COVID. I think all our teams were shooting during COVID, right? So
Yeah.
we saw that dedication come out. So, but I just feel that there won't be any harm if in your medical colleges you have some courses on empathy, and with some of the experts coming and talking about patient interaction. I think it's just a little bit of a thing.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
I said, like,
Because you have to humanize
absolutely.
that
It is,
entire.
see, ultimately, when I come to you, I'm coming to you for a human connection.
Right.
Like, if tomorrow, if I have a doctor in front of me and I have a robot in front of me, I know the robot can perform the things better than me, but I still want to go to a doctor just for a human connection.
Right.
So if there's no harm in providing that kind of human connection, and it takes a little bit of time, a little extra 2 minutes, and be empathetic. I agree completely.
ऐसी ही दिलचस्प और महत्वपूर्ण हेल्थ इश्यूज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देखते रहिए हेल्थ मंत्रा।